So to be a CSR here at MidState, I mean, obviously, anybody we hire, we would like them to be licensed within 60 days, which means getting their property and casualty license. We do give a little bit of perk, a little bit more pay if you decide you want to go further and do your life and health license. But we would help, with training, anything you want to do, even the cost to obtain some licensing if you need to in the beginning, we can help with that. Even reimbursement if you would like to even get your license before you join the team, because 60 days is fast in this world. I mean, a lot of people think, oh, it's 2 months. Well, when you start working and see what we deal with on a daily, I mean, days are fast. So, and then you have your weekends that you want to do your own thing. So just committing yourself to getting that license maybe before you join the team, or at least get the training done before, and then, come here, we'll reimburse you for that, and go far. But once you have obtained your license, you'll answer phones, help deal with somebody gets a new vehicle, deal with that, make payments, things like that. I mean, not really a stress-driven job. It's more just interacting. I mean, if something's complicated, there's a problem, I'm going to step up and I'm going to fill in what needs to be done. As a CSR, you'll also help file claims. You're not going to be there writing the checks for them, do anything like that. You're just going to sit behind the desk, answer the calls, explain any coverages that may need, if there's anything. But like I said, we have a full team here that if you don't know that answer, somebody will step up and help you, and we'll find out what it is. But as advancing through to get into other positions here, a CSR is just a starting point, to getting to where you maybe want to be in life. So when I started 11 years ago, I got jumped into being an agent from the very beginning because I have another job and different things like that. With us expanding, there's always opportunity for advancements within our company. So, you start as a CSR, you get fully licensed, then you're going to become like a account manager, where, I guess you can say you're a manager. So you're going to take on more responsibility. You're going to be filling in where there's a problem, like I would be. You'd step up, and then I wouldn't have to fill in there. That would be your responsibility. And then, later on, after that, working on renewals, that would be another thing you could possibly do, because retention is also important within the business. We can't just write business and allow it to walk out the door. So we always try to stay on top of the game. When somebody's renewals come up, 90% of the reason people shop in the insurance world is rate. So if we are ahead of that 30, 45 days in advance, we're doing the shopping for you before you get your renewal, because we already see that it went up. You're not going to shop because we're going to call you and tell you, hey, your rate just went up. But fortunately for you, we have more than just one company. And we took the initiative, quoted it, and was able to save you maybe $50 a month, whatever the case may be. On the CSR role, once you become the account manager, there might be another time that you want to say, you know what? I want to be an agent. I don't want to sit in the office 8 to 4:30, do my, wait for somebody to call me, do things. I want to be my own boss, let's say. Well, that may be because you have a bigger drive than somebody else. So you'll want to be an agent. At that point, you can make some commission, come and go as you please, make as big or little amount of money as you want. So